2 dice are rolled and the faces are added together. I have listed here a picture of what that might look like, because it does surprise students that there are 36 different outcomes if we roll 2 fair dice. There's only one of 6 outcomes on each die, but there's 6 on the first and 6 on the second, and it works out that there are 36 total possibilities. So our first question asks, what's the probability of getting a sum of 3? So when they say a sum of 3, they mean the sum of the faces on the dice. So let's look through and find sums of 3. So 2 plus 1, there's a way of getting a sum of 3. And 1 plus 2, there's another way of getting a sum of 3. Since these die are distinct, that means that these are 2 separate outcomes. But if we go any further, we're only going to get sums that are bigger than 3 or smaller than 3. Those are the only 2 that qualify. So sum of 3, there's 2 possibilities out of 36, like we said. And we can make that a decimal. 2 out of 36 is 0.056. What is the probability of getting doubles? Well, the probability of getting doubles, we just need to dig through and find all the doubles. So 1 and 1 would be a double, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, and I think you can see a pattern that these doubles are all along this diagonal, and there's a total of 6 that we've listed there. So probability of doubles would be 6 over 36, and if we change that into a decimal, that's 0.167. What is the probability of getting a sum more than 10? Well, to get a sum more than 10, we need to go through and find out possibilities. Certainly 6 and 6 give 12, which is more than 10. 6 and 5, or 5 and 6, give us a sum that's more than 10, that's 11. But let's be careful because this does say more than 10. So more than 10 does not include 10. So none of the other events give us a sum that's more than 10. So this probability, more than 10, would be 3 over 36, and we'll change that to a decimal, 0.083.